Hello crafters, welcome to Acorn and Oak and today's video. Today we're going to do a floral candle arrangement for autumn of 2022. Now this might be difficult for you to see because things may come up to the camera quite a bit. I have this box that I got from the charity shop. I've put some styrofoam in. I've got this, which is part of a candle stand that I just cut away. This is the base actually from a candle stand. So I'm going to turn it up and use it that way, and I just use my Dremel to cut it away. I have this wreath form here. This is a grapevine wreath form, and it measures approximately 11 to 11.5 inches, but you know, grapevine wreaths can be a bit hit and miss. Okay, and we're going to attach this grapevine wreath to my box that I have here, and I'm going to attach it towards the back, and I'm going to use these pins. I don't know what these are called. If I can find out, I will link their name in the video, but I don't know what they're called. They might be floral pins. I don't know if they have another, you know, a more distinctive name. I'm just going to use them to secure this wreath into the back of the box, because this will be something that I can take apart and use in other ways for other seasons and occasions. So I don't want to hot glue this in place. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to submerge my candle stand in. Obviously you're going to need to use a battery operated candle, which is what I intend to do. And now we need to decorate it. Now I'm just going to be using bits and pieces from my stash. They've been bought from all different places. I can't really give you any links because I've had them and I reuse them over and over and over again in different arrangements. If you've been following me for any length of time, you've probably seen you've probably seen all these picks and things that I'm going to be using, because I've used them over and over again in different decorating in different videos. These are some oak leaves, and in some of the leaves I have attached some acorns. These berries were purchased from Amazon, so you might be able to find them on Amazon. These berries here. So I'm just going to shorten the wire slightly. So I'm bending it back on itself. It's quite a long wire, so I'm just bending it back on itself and then twisting it. to hear anything, but I'm having paint touched up in the bathroom, so if you can hear anything, that's where it's coming from. I'm just placing some faux forgot what these are called again. Some faux acorns in the actual wreath. No, I'm not. I'm taking them away, crafters. I didn't like the way they looked. And tuck these in deep in. I'm not a trained floral designer. In my opinion, you do what makes your eyes happy. But what I've learned is, you know, when it comes to floral arrangements, you want your eye to be able to travel around the arrangement. You don't want it to be stationary. Okay, there we go, all done. I think that'll look quite nice with my traditional colours that I'm doing in the hallway this year. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.